Hi, good morning. Today we're going to present our code for Arduino Omega for the challenge 2. My name is Ernesto Ivan. The name of my teammates are Michelle de la Rosa, Isaac Humberto Rodriguez Torres, and Jorge Antonio Arenas. To start the code, we have to put void setup. That is almost a lot that we have to put always. After that, we have to declare our LEDs and in which port we're going to connect it. For example, we are going to put LED 1 to port 13. The next one is LED 2 to port 12, and LED 3 to port 11, LED 4 to port 10, LED 5 to port 9, and LED 6 to port 8. Those are our LEDs, and they are connected to each number of port. Then we declare the ports again on this side, pin mode and the number of the port, and then output. After that, we put void loop, that is here, and this is to create a cycle. This means that when you put into the void loop, is going to repeat itself infinitively. We have digital write, and in parentheses 13 high. That this means that the LED connected to port 13 is going to turn on, and then we have the one connected on port 12 and the one connected to port 11 that we declare at the beginning. LED 1, LED 2, and LED 3. All this with a delay of 1000, that is 1 second. Then after that, those 3 LEDs are going to turn off, and that for a delay of 1000 again, that is 1 second. After that, the LEDs that are connected to port 10, 9, and 8, that it means LED 4, LED 5, and LED 6, are going to do the same thing. They're going to turn on, the 3 of them, for a delay of 1000, that is 1 second, and they are going to turn off, as we can see here. And after that, all of them are going first to turn on, all of them from 13 to 8 for a delay of 1 second, and to end they are going to turn off, I'm sorry. All of that is going to be infinite because it's a loop, it's a cycle, as I said.
Now that we have the code, we are going to go to the portal board. At first, we are going to put the LEDs. We are going to connect the shorter one in any of the cases. And now we have like this, and we are going to do that with the other 5 LEDs.
Is the experimental treatment.
I'm going to put it separate because if I put it joint, it's going to be ugly.
There's a place I go to when no one knows me. It's not lonely, it's a necessary thing. It's a place I made up. Find out what I made of. The nights I've stayed up, counting stars and fighting sleep. Let it wash over me.
Now that we have the 6 LEDs, we are going to put the cable. And we're going to put the cable and the shorter one of the LEDs. So in this case, we are going to put like this. And we have to do this in all of the parts of the LED.
It's negative with negative.
To lose my feet, take me off to the place where one reviews life's mystery. Steady on down the line, lose every sense of time. Take it all in and wake up that small part of me. Day to day I'm blind to see and find how far to go. Everybody got their reason, everybody got their way. We're just catching and releasing what builds up throughout the day. It gets into your body and it flows right through your blood. We can tell each other secrets and remember how to love. Da-da-dum-da-dum-dum-dum.
Now that we have the cables on the LEDs, we are going to put the resistance. The resistance are on the larger of the LED. On the larger feet of the LED. We're going to put it on the D letter and on the A, E, F.
So let it wash over me. I'm ready to lose my feet. Take me off to the place where one reveals life's mystery. Steady on down the line, lose every sense of time. Take it all in and wake up that small part of me. Day to day I'm blind to see and find how far to go. Everybody got their reason, everybody got their way. We're just catching and releasing what builds up throughout the day. It gets into your body, flows right through your blood. We can tell each other secrets and remember how to love. Da da dum da dum dum dum. Da dum dum dum. Da dum dum. Da da dum da dum dum dum. Da dum dum dum. Da dum dum.
Okay. Now that we have the resistance, we are going to connect the ground, which is this cable that is gonna be right here in the Arduino. There's like a hole where we can see the ground. We're going to connect it right here, and this one is gonna be right here in the first LED. Well, and then that we have the ground, we're going to connect the LEDs on the Arduino, right, in the Arduino Mega, and it's gonna be like this. The first LED in the 13th one.
And now we're going to do the same with the other cables.
Now that we have all the protoboard and the Arduino Mega connected, now we're gonna put the code into the Arduino Mega in the memory, and it's going to function all the code. So we have to connect it right here and into the computer. with a USB port cable.
So right now we have to run the code into the Arduino, and you can see that it's uploading the code.
This is the code that we explained in the other part.
Well, now that we have uploaded the code, we can see that the Arduino Mega is functioning right now. We can see that the LEDs are turning on. The first one are turning on, then turn off, then the other ones turn on, then turn off, and all the LEDs turn on and turn off. That's all the code, and we can see that it's functioning really good.
Yes, it's working. So this is the challenge 2. Thank you to watch the video and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Give a like if you
Pedro
like it.
Perez.